To be successful on YouTube, you need to take advantage of all the features that are available to you. We've spoken before about using keywords in your description and your title to get your videos found in YouTube search results. But now it's time to look at the third piece of the puzzle, tags. To learn how to grow your business using video marketing, make sure you subscribe and ring the bell as we release weekly videos showing you how to make better content and get it found online. Now, there is a lot of debate online whether YouTube still uses tags in its algorithm, but while YouTube is still offering it as a feature, I would recommend that you use them. So what are tags? Tags are sets of words that help tell YouTube the content of your video, so then they know where to place your video in search results. You have up to 500 characters to use for your tags, and they don't need to be just individual words, you can also use groups of words. Just add a comma to separate different sets of words. Tags will never be seen by your viewers unless they have special plugins installed. You can either enter your tags when you're uploading your video, or you can add them later in the video detail screen in YouTube Studio. If you are not entering your tags when you're uploading your video, I would recommend that you upload it as unlisted until you've filled out all the detail properly, and then you can make it public. So what sets of words should you be using for your tags? It all starts with your focused, researched keywords. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, then you should watch this video here where I show you how to do keyword research for your videos. Your researched keywords should be your very first tag. This really helps tell YouTube that this is the main subject of the video, and then they know where to place your video in search results. But what other tags can you add? First, try and think of any alternative words that are also used as your main keyword. For example, for a photography channel, your title could be how to take a photo of my black cat. You could also add the tags black cat picture, black cat pic, and black cat photograph. Next, you want to add tags that are related to the subject of your video. So using the photographer example again, you could have extra tags like better cat photos, better pet photos, black cat pics, and any other variations you can think of. Bonus tip, try adding any common misspellings of your main keywords to account for any viewers that may have mistyped or misspelled the subject of your video. Lastly, don't forget to add tags related to your business, so you can use things like your company name, your location, and your type of business. Again, for the photographer, let's say that they're a pet photographer. Does that even exist? If so, I want that job. You could include the tags pet photographer, Days Pet Photography, Rochester, and Kent. This will help with not only your YouTube SEO, but also your Google SEO. If you're struggling with coming up with ideas for tags, you could use a tool like Tubebuddy, which actually recommends tags for you. You only get 3 recommendations in the free version of Tubebuddy, but this might be enough to just spark your imagination and get you going. They also have some really useful tools when it comes to tags. The first is that you can enter your researched keywords to focus down their list of recommended tags. Next, and this may be a paid feature, you can see where your video ranks in the search results for your chosen tags. Lastly, you can reorganize your tags. As I've mentioned, you want your researched keywords to be your first tag. If you've made a mistake, rather than having to delete all the tags and start again, you can simply reorder them. Bonus tip, if there are tags that you know you want to include in all of your videos, say your company name, location, and type of business, you can set upload defaults in the settings section of YouTube Studio. These keywords will now be automatically added every time you upload a new video. To wrap up, tags are used by YouTube to identify the subject of your video so they know what search terms to show your video under. Start with your researched keywords as your first tag, Then add any other sets of words that are related to the subject of your video. You can also add tags with your company name, location and business type. Were you using tags correctly? Let me know in the comments below, and if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Do you want some tips on promoting your videos outside of YouTube? Make sure you click this video here. And if you want to avoid the 5 mistakes that most businesses make on YouTube, click this video here and make sure you click here to subscribe and ring the bell to catch our weekly videos all about growing your business profits through video marketing.